This tutorial is going to help you with multiplying in scientific notation. So I have 6 times 10 to the 4th power times 4 times 10 squared. So the first thing we're going to do, it's pretty similar to division. The first thing we're going to do is multiply our constants. So 6 times 4, which is, I'm going to write it over here, 24. And then we're going to have times 10. And then with multiplication, when they have the same base, we keep it. And we end up adding our exponents. So we get 24 times 10 to the 6th. So this is a really common mistake that I see is people box that. They might even put it in standard form as well and they move on. But there is a huge issue that is really hard to catch if you are not paying attention. For it to be in scientific notation, the first number, the constant, has to be between 1 and 10. That is not the case here. Okay, so the first thing we have to do, we have to take this 24 and get it into a number between 1 and 10. So to do that, it is greater than 1. So I know my exponent will be positive. Okay, I'm going to move the decimal till I get a number between 1 and 10. I don't see the decimal, so I know that it's at the end. I'm going to move it till I get a number between 1 and 10. So I moved it once. So my exponent, I already decided it was positive because it was greater than 1. It's going to be a positive 1. Okay, so this isn't the final answer. This is just going to replace the 24. We still have to bring 10 to the 6th down. Okay, and now you can write your constant, but we can simplify these two terms. They have the same base, so we keep it, and we add our exponents. Okay, so this is the correct answer for scientific notation. Let's also put it in standard form. Take our constant, move the decimal how the exponent tells you to. It's a positive 7, so I'm going to move right 7. Fill in the holes with 0, and then rewrite it to make it neat. 1, 2, 3. Starting on the right, every 3 numbers, put a comma. Okay, let's look at this second one. I'm going to multiply my constants. So 5 times 5 is 25 times same base, so I keep it and I add my exponents. 1 plus 2 is 3. It'd be really easy to just move on, but there's a major issue. This first number is not between 1 and 10. So before I can do anything else, I need to make this between 1 and 10. Because this is greater than 1, I know that my exponent will be positive. I'm going to move my decimal till I get a number between 1 and 10. I moved it 1 time, so my exponent is a positive 1. Okay, but this only replaces the 25. I still have to bring 10 cubed down. So now I have 2.5 times same base. We're multiplying, which means I end up adding my exponents. 1 plus 3 is 4. My first number is between 1 and 10, so this is the correct scientific notation for this problem. Let's also put it in standard form. The exponent is positive, so I'm going to move my decimal to the right 4 times. Okay, so I went from scientific notation, oops, I got cut off, to standard form. Okay, and basically if I had put this in my calculator, this is what I would have gotten, but I just did it by using, by moving the decimal.